Phatthalung! Hi guys! Welcome back to Magic Wonders channel. Today we're still in Thailand, but we have headed out south to this province called Phatthalung. And we're going to see top 5 reasons why we should visit this beautiful province. So the number one reason to visit Phatthalung is to visit this local market called Papaya Salsa, or the Happy Market within the Bamboo Garden. This is one of a kind weekend market and absolutely run and enjoyed by the local community for the local community. The local come and open their own stores here selling Thai street food, Thai delicacy, Thai sweets and snack, and some of them are very difficult to find, so it's very fun and very enlightening to be able to see them and get to try them here. Some of them starts from just one bite, so there's no excuse not to try them. They even sell cold brew coffee that's brewed by the locals. These are banana creations, and also here they very encourage zero waste culture, so there's no plastic used or foam packaging here. You can also find arts and craft creations and locally sourced vegetable and fruits. And you can see here the beverage, the herbal drinks are served in bamboo tubes. So fresh! And don't forget to try Thai sweets and desserts, and there are plenty of places to sit down. And these are the local delicacies. And also some of the kids in the area, they come and show off their skills. So it's pretty fun.
What are you guys eating?
Coconut milk, ice cream.
So you can easily spend a day or half a day here. Don't forget to come by here next time you're in Phatthalung. Reason number 2 is that you will be able to get close to the nature. Phatthalung is still a really less known and traveled to province of Thailand. So definitely you'll be able to experience the true way of the local lifestyle here. Also be able to see how they still live happily and comfortably with the nature. From the restaurants here to the hotels, every well-established place here are built around the greens and to blend well into the surroundings. So if you're just looking for a weekend getaway that you really need to reboot or to relax, you can always count on Phatthalung. Reason number 3, you will be able to learn how to weave the local grass called Krajood or Wickery. Krajood is widely grown in the area, and it is very strong and has attractive surface finish. The pattern one are maybe more difficult to make, but here at Varni Southern Wickery community, the local expert will teach you at no cost how to weave them to make usable products, such as coined bags or baskets. You can also purchase their finished goods too. Krajood products are becoming more and more popular and being widely used by the big brands such as Starbucks. So you can easily spend a few hours here. The Varni community, they also offer the homestay here that includes the lesson. They even give us the local fruits. These are rambutan. And yes, that's Krajood carpet. So easily a few hours can be spent here at Varni Southern Wickery. Reason number 4, you will get to experience the local Fisherman's Village. In Phatthalung, it is famous as the land of yaw, where yaw is a tool to catch fish. It is big in size, and when the yaw is full of fish, the fisherman will pull the yaw up. Pull up in Thai is yok, and thus yok yaw is a common saying in the province, and something everyone here does every day. In some seasons, you might not be able to see them catch a lot of fish, but to see them against all this scenery is still worth visiting, and also a sign of fresh seafood too. Phatthalung is actually one of the ancient cities of Thailand, so to be able to witness their native way of life that still lasts until today, it can be quite an amazing experience. Reason number 5, you get to see the sunrise in Talay Noi. And it's lotus too. So for this one, you have to wake up super early to experience it. And can you believe that this is not the ocean? So you got that right. Phatthalung is actually one of the 2 landlocked provinces in southern part of Thailand. But it connects to this massive Songkla lake. Here, we were on the way to the Talay Noi, or the Little Sea, that the locals initially thought it was the ocean, but turned out to be a smaller lake, which is not very small. Talay Noi is filled with more than 300 types of seabirds and reptiles, and there are also massive populations of the lotus. Now you can witness them blooming as the sun rises. There are variations in colors, but majority of them are pink. You can actually visit Talay Noi all day long, but because the lotus blooms in the morning and the seabird comes out, so this is the perfect time to come. And here's the highlight. There are these population of the local buffaloes, and yet they really love to swim. They live in Talay Noi at night, have their morning swim while eating their breakfast, and the farmers will pick them up to go work in another place, and they will come back at night. So that day repeats just like that. In the second episode of Phatthalung, I will explain more in details about this Talay Noi and what we discovered during our visit. So that's it, guys. 5 reasons why you should visit this charming province of Thailand, Phatthalung. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave it below. And if you want to keep seeing my travel videos, don't forget to subscribe.